And now we're playing stock footage of a spider. Yeah, look at that thing. Look at that damn spider. Just look at that thing. Gugh. Oh, man, it just moved.
Man, that's one spider I do not want an encounter with. So big, scary looking. Just looking at it just gives me the creeps. Back is itchy and everything. What the fuck?
How come I can't get a kill on this stupid f***ing game?
Dude,
What flicks?
get in here.
What for?
You gotta see this, man. Come on, gotta get in here.
Okay then. What did you want me to look at then?
Don't make any sudden movements.
What the f do we do? That spider's f***ing huge.
I don't know. We need to get something to kill it, though.
Like what? Not even a spider spray is gonna kill that thing.
I don't think an exterminator will get that thing either. I think I might try and catch it.
Are you crazy? You can't catch that thing. It'll have to work.
Dude, I'm telling you, you can't catch it.
Yes, I can.
I'll try. This box.
You won't be fit in there. It's too f***ing big for that thing. I'll try and catch it.
Dude, as soon as you get in its sight, it's gonna run. Or jump on you.
Or poison you with something.
Alright, bitch. Get ready to be put in this box.
Where did Spider go? Where did it go? Where did it go? That little bitch, where did it go? It's not under the couch. It's not under the couch. It's on its side.
Right there in front of you!
What?
Leave me out! I told you not to go in that thing's sight! And now it was on the loose!
Well, what was I supposed to do?
I don't know, get something to kill it, not catch it!
Bug spray would work. I don't know, a broom would have worked. I don't know, a gun would have worked.
You know, a gun would have worked.
Well, I do own a gun, but it's in my room. But I can't get my gun if that thing is going to be out there.
It's in your flex. Huh?
Okay, so we move out the house, right?
What? What's behind me?
We are so out of this house. I would like two of them. What do both of them want?
What do you want?
My
Holy shit! I got a fucking stick!
Yo, let's get those. Let's get out of here!
This place, I'm out of here!
Well, we're gonna have to find a new place.
But where? Away from all of this? You know, all the stuff that was happening to us has been mostly happening in here. And I'm tired of it. I'm tired of all the crap that's been happening to us. It happens to us all the time. We tried moving to, this house, it failed. I tried moving to another house. More crazy stuff is happening to us. And it mainly happened here. Throughout the year, it's been crazy. I'm so sick of it.
How are we gonna stop it? I mean, will moving to another house stop it?
I ain't sure about that, but we'll have to see and find out. Otherwise, if it happens again, we'll probably move for the 4th time. That's what we always do. Yeah!
I don't know if I can handle more crap.
Me either, Flicks. Me either. Why can't we just have a normal life? Anyone else has a normal life but us. Why us? It's always us. Us.
I know, it's like we have some kind of bad luck. Very bad luck.
Yeah, we need a temporary place to stay at. Probably for a year. Oh, you found a place? Really? It's like 2 bedrooms? No, 4? 3? There's 3 bedrooms? I mean, I could work with that. So where is it located? Okay. Okay. Bye. Flex, I think we just found us a place.
I hope it's better than this place.
I'm hoping that too. So what we do until then? Just stare at the sky, I guess.
We're done.
Yeah, man, we're done.
You had me doing all the work.
Oh yeah, you definitely did a lot of work. You did break your back to just carry all of those boxes. Even though I'm the one who did most of those boxes. Dude, shut up and have a drink. Well, at least we have a new house. Temporary, by the way.
Why temporary, though?
I'm just thinking about we just, move out of the state.
Oh, really? Where?
I don't know, that's why we're gonna live here for a year. Just a temporary house. It's not bad so far.
Alright then, man. Cheers for this new house.
I'm not gonna let my balls just drop.
Take this, you son of a bitch!
I done told you not to go to that thing's site!
But you didn't listen to me!
Stupid lights. We'll never get this shit done.
I'm so tired of all of the crap that's been happening to me. I mean, to